It depends is the answer to that. And I'm going to preface this by saying that I am not an accountant, nor am I a lawyer. So, you know, this is all based on my own experience, all right? You should definitely get some help. And I'm going to give you the link of where to get some help right here. So I'm going to put the link to a YouTube video, send to all right there. So, and if you're watching the replay of this, here's the video I'm going to show them. So it's on my YouTube channel, and it's called How to Set Up Your Business in Australia to Sell on Amazon with Arnie Shields, with Arnold Shields. Arnold is one of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. He's also the director of a very, very big accounting firm in Australia, in the northern beaches or in North Sydney. Northern Sydney, I don't think it's in North Sydney, but it's on the north side of Sydney, and he's the best person to ask. However, here's my understanding of it. So my understanding of it is that a PTY Ltd company, if you use a PTY Ltd company, that will afford you some personal protections. That's what a PTY Ltd, so it stands for proprietary limited company. So that's a limited liability company. That's what it is. So if things go tits up, it's the company that gets sued. And unless you have done something really ridiculous as a director, then you ought to be safe. So that's my understanding. But again, watch that with Arnold. It goes into a lot more details about that. And also, you can get insurance, of course. And finally, every category on Amazon is not the same. So there are some categories on Amazon that are more liable for problems than others. So baby things, for instance, well, you know, that's got a greater liability than other categories for potential things going wrong, okay? So it will also, I would suggest, be dictated by which category you're going to sell in. But Kushma, my understanding is PTY Ltd company affords you some personal protection. That's the very purpose of a PTY Ltd company. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.